Space-saving indoor bike storage. Featuring an innovative low-impact stand design, the Michelangelo 2 bike rack garage simply leans against the wall and uses gravity to secure up to 2 bicycles. Hassle-free assembly. The Michelangelo garage bike rack takes minimal effort and expertise to install. All you need is a screwdriver. Assembly hardware and a wall strap is included to create a secure wall bike rack in minutes. Fully adjustable bicycle storage. Arms accommodate any bike size or style, up to 40 lbs. Support arms are repositioned with a simple twist, no tools needed, which means this rack is easy to adjust once assembled. Quality steel construction. This large-capacity vertical bike rack securely holds up to 2 bikes and a total weight of 80 lbs. Durable rubber feet keep this standing bike rack securely in place while protecting your floors. Top reviews from the United States. Gravity-defying stand. This stand doesn't seem like it should work, but it does, and it's amazing. Putting the stand together took just a couple minutes. It literally just leans against my wall and takes up very little space on the ground. It's been so nice being able to get my bike up and out of the way. Also, I think it looks cool. Everyone is always surprised when they first see it and they have to go touch it to believe it's so sturdy. The way it's made, the bike actually is pulled towards the wall, so there is absolutely no chance of the stand tipping over. Besides being immensely practical, I honestly just think this is a cool, well-designed product and would highly recommend it to anyone looking to free up some space and store their bikes.